A wonderful morning to all my lovely students. Today we are going to continue our chapter number 5, our country. So let's start. Children, yesterday we read about our national flag. Today we are going to read other national symbols. India's national animal is tiger. The tiger is India's national animal. Now tell me, which is our national animal? Very good. Tiger, because tiger is most powerful animal. India's national bird is the peacock. It has beautiful and colorful feathers. India's national bird is peacock. Peacock has beautiful and wonderful feathers. Children, which is our national bird? Very good. Peacock is our national bird. India's national flower is lotus. Lotus is India's national flower. It grows in water. Lotus grows in water. Students, which is our national flower? Very good. Lotus is our national flower. India's national anthem is Jan Gan Man. Children, Jan Gan Man is India's national anthem. We sing our national anthem on important national days. We should stand in attention when we sing our national anthem. Students, which is our national anthem? Very good. Our national anthem is Jana Gana Mana, which is sing in morning prayer. Is written by Rabindranath Tagore. Jana Gana Mana is written by Rabindranath Tagore. Children, you all know we should stand in attention when we sing our national anthem Jana Gana Mana. Children, do you know there are some more national symbols of our country? Let's see. Children, our national currency is Indian rupee. Our national sports is hockey. Our national fruit is mango. Mango is called the king of fruits. Now let's check. Name the following national animal. Yes, children, which is our national animal? Very good. Tiger. Number 2, national flower. Children, which is our national flower? Very good. Our national flower is lotus. It's interesting. Children, there is something interesting in this box. Let's see. What is it? Beside the national anthem, India also has a national song. It is called Vande Mataram. Children, our national song is Vande Mataram. The title Vande Mataram means I praise the mother. Days of national importance. There are 3 important national days that are celebrated by all Indians. Children, do you know which are three national important days that you read in your previous class? Yes, children, tell me. Very good. Republic Day, Independence Day, and Gandhi Jayanti. Children, so let's read about Republic Day. Republic Day is celebrated every year on 26th January. The national flag is hosted in schools, colleges, and office buildings. A grand parade is organized in New Delhi. Students, do you know why we celebrate Republic Day? Very good. Because on 26th January, our constitution came in force. Now children, when is a grand parade held in Delhi? Very good. A grand parade is held in Delhi on 26th January, Republic Day. Now, Independence Day is celebrated on 15 August. Independence Day is celebrated on 15 August. The Prime Minister of our country gives a speech to the nation from Delhi's Red Fort. Yes, children, who is the Prime Minister of India? Yes, children, who is the Prime Minister of India? Very good, Mr. Narendra Modi. Okay, where is Red Fort? Very good, in Delhi. The national flag is hosted at the Red Fort and other important buildings. Children, do you know why we celebrate Independence Day? Very good. Because on 15 August, our nation got freedom from British. Students, my next question is, when our Prime Minister post flag at Red Fort? Very good. On 15 August. Gandhi Jayanti is celebrated on 2nd October to mark the birthday of Mahatma Gandhi, the father of the nation. Mahatma Gandhi is called the father of nation. We celebrate Gandhi Jayanti on 2nd October. Children, when is Gandhi Jayanti celebrated? Very good. 2nd October. Who is the father of nation? Very good. Mahatma Gandhi. We also call him Bapu. Children, hope you have known our country well. Thank you.